Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord new login location detected. Please check your email. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open a browser, search gmail.com, press enter. You just need to log in to the same account where the Discord email. After logging in, you will get a mail verify Discord login from your new location. Click on it, scroll down and select verify login option. And now select the login option. Now you just need to type your email and password over here. After typing it, select login option and now it's login without having any problem. As you can see, select the login option same here in Discord app. And as you can see, it logins without any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.